How to use Fiebing's dye prep. This is a demonstration for the proper application of Fiebing's dye prep, a specially formulated cleaner that prepares leather for dyeing. Ideally, it is used immediately before applying a dye or stain to remove dirt or oils accrued from handling of the leather to ensure a smooth, even coloration. For this demo, we used a stamped natural leather keychain. To transfer the dye prep from its bottle to the leather, you can use a clean piece of sheepskin wool and piece of soft white cloth. Apply one coat of the dye prep to the leather, rubbing it in with a back and forth motion to ensure it is evenly spread over the entire surface and rubs away dirt and oils. Then take a clean, dry white cloth to rub away any excess dye prep from the surface of the leather. Then, while it is still damp, you can apply your chosen Fiebing dye using your desired applicator. In this case, we used a wool dauber. Let the leather dry completely before applying your desired Fiebing finish such as tan coat, bag coat, or Resolene. That is how you properly use Fiebing's dye prep. Buy this product directly from Fiebing.com or other Fiebing dealers.